This episode on Sailing Popao.
This is paradise.
That's the only thing on the reef that eats crown of thorn.
Last week we hit out a blow in a well-protected reef anchorage and marine park. This week we're heading out to explore some new reef systems.
What a morning, Michael.
Stunning, absolutely amazing. Not much wind for sailing, but oh well. Oh, we have motors.
A bit different to yesterday, huh?
Oh, amazing. A week of this, apparently.
Look how clear the water is. Let's do it. Too many people here, huh, Michael?
Too crowded. Time
to find our own spot.
Where we can actually catch fish too.
Yeah, we're fully provisioned for a couple of months, so we can just keep going out here. This weather's been amazing, so always be prepared. We're just squeezing between two reefs. We're also just keen to come up here and get some cool drone shots. Michael's going to send the drone up now. Bommies around, so just going up on Bommy Watch and to double check with Google Maps and make sure we don't hit anything. That one comes right up to the surface. This is our first option for an anchorage. Pretty nice. It is low tide, so the reef is fully protecting us at the moment, but we do also have a really big sandy patch over there. That was the second option, so I think we're going to just wiggle through the Bommies again and go and check that anchorage out, because sandy patch looks amazing. It looks heavenly. It's got those crazy blue hues that you dream about in places like this. I don't know if you can see it yet. So that to us looks like absolute heaven. Just found this anchorage on Google Maps, so the hardest thing is making sure that it's big enough swing area where we're not going to like drop the chain and then it drops into like 20 meters of water. At the moment, it's looking pretty good. Look at it! Look at it! So good. This anchoring job. This is paradise. Absolute paradise. Definitely, this last 2 weeks have definitely made all the hard work and everything. Like, this is where we've wanted to be for so long, and yeah, it's so good just being here now and far out. That's what dreams are made of right there. Thoughts, Michael?
Not telling. If anyone calls us on the radio this time, we're not saying anything.
No, don't say anything. This is the most epic spot we've been to. Now we've got to make noise and make water. Do you think the water's clear enough to make the water, Michael?
I know, we better call Brett Swan.
Oh wow, this is epic. Alright, chore time and then playtime this afternoon. So we've been here 10 minutes, went to make water, and Michael's like, oh, we'll just put the fan in. So we've just pulled the freezer out. So this is what's hiding in that hidey hole. We've got 60 litres of freezer space. So I've just taken everything out and put in the esky because it's all rock solid. This is where that freezer lives, in this big cutout. Just giving the freezer a clean. We've had a few leaking things. Then hopefully we can go and play in paradise. Just gearing up now. It's a shark or something over there. I don't know, it's big. Look at this place. Big bailiff shell in front of it.
Yeah.
You gonna shoot it?
Well, I was gonna try, but I was gonna try grab it. It's a big trident shell. Absolutely awesome shell.
So cool.
That's the only thing on the reef that eats crown of thorns.
Yep, and that's why they're out of control, because heaps of people have taken them over the years. So
you can see why people take them. That's just a stunning
they're
shell.
beautiful. But definitely one to put back if you ever see one. That is not one for your shelf collection. They're cool.
Beautiful.
Actually haven't seen any here, have we?
No, not yet seen any. If I click my heels together, pull me out, right? I'll do this like lots of times. What a waste of time.
That's annoying, but that's why we don't shoot them very often. How devastated are you?
That was a big crate.
That was a good crate. But, yeah, that's why we try not to shoot them unless we get a good look at their tail. See, they aren't in berry with that row on the bottom. Otherwise, yeah, they're no take, and also just good practice to not take them in if you can take them in the area with row. Because, yeah, that's just a healthy way to look after the fisheries.
We found this amazing crack in the reef where the tide obviously rushes through. It was like an aquarium thick with fish life, turtles, sharks, big parrotfish aggregations.
This is insane.
It's like an aquarium in here.
Every cave we stuck our heads into had a resting turtle.
Did you even notice that you nearly put your your hand on a turtle?
Yeah, that's one there. There's a turtle in every cave.
I've got a pretty good eye for finding crays, but I'm not very good at catching them. I sent Michael to grab this one to increase our chances of eating cray for dinner. Now that we had dinner sorted, I figured it was my time to improve my shocking cray skills. Now I think you can see why I let Michael do all the hard work. As we were making our way back to the boat, we came across another set of antlers sticking out from under the reef. After working on it for a few minutes, Michael managed to wiggle this beast out of his cage.
What a friggin' afternoon, look at that. So good.
With enough crays to last us a while, we drifted back to the boat in the current, an easy way to scout the reef for tomorrow.
Okay, what's for late lunch? What have we been doing today?
Lunch/dinner. We just went out for a dive. It was meant to be a morning dive, but turned into all day. We got back at 3 o'clock. I'm cooking the crays that we got yesterday on the barbecue. Usually Michael's job, but he's sitting out today, and I'm going to give it a go. So I'm going to cook some garlic crays, just garlic butter, put some thyme on afterwards and some lemon. And the secret herb onion salt, if that's a herb.
Nice.
Bit of pepper, the magic herb.
What's that, garlic powder?
Yeah. I'm going to put some onion salt on now, it's an important part. Fresh garlic. And equally just as important, butter. Good to go. Shut the lid.
On low heat?
On low heat, I think. So, now she's...
Righto, they're done.
They're done, yeah. I just checked and it's all just pulled apart. They've been in there about 10 minutes, low heat. They're good. They're cooked. And I'm just going to put some lemon on top and that's it. I put a little bit of butter on just before I've taken them off too. just for some moisture, but I had a taste. Pretty good. I'm just going to do a little bit of thyme as well because we put that on the pizza last time, Cray pizzas, and that was amazing. So just a little bit. So yum.
Smoky enough?
I mean, oh, so smoky. You can't go wrong with garlic and lemon and butter. Delicious. Look at all that meat. Anyone ever told you how to sit at a table, Michael? What are you doing down there?
Too much sun for one day, I'm getting out of it.
You're telling me. Far out. How is it?
Delicious.
Good.
Mm.
So this is if you ever invite Michael over for dinner, this is how you'll find him.
You don't need chairs, I'll sit on the floor now.
No need for chairs. Anyway, time to eat.
Join us next episode as the glass out continues. We stumble across a huge fish aggregation, get in a fight with a reef shark, and Michael shoots one of the most elusive fish in the ocean.
That's a special fish that you wait for days we're not shooting anything for.
That was without a doubt the most
That's probably the
insane time. How good was that day, Michael?
Thanks for watching. If you'd like to support us further, you can sign up on Patreon for ad-free early videos, bonus content and perks. A huge thanks to our current patrons for your ongoing support.
Michael, what just happened?
I don't know what's happened with that drone, if it's from the VHF antenna or something, but it was just not happy, just doing its own thing, drifting off course. Someone was talking on 82, the repeater channel, and then the drone just went, and it just flew around, and I was like, that's it. Here goes another drone. It's just like going through the stays and stuff, and I was like,
It went straight through.
It went between like
the rigging.
and it just went out. It didn't hit.
We were both holding our breath. It literally, I don't know how it didn't hit anything. I thought, that's it. I was ready to catch it. And it went through, it came across the front of the boat, through between all of that, between the lazy jacks, the backstays, this extra row, I have no idea how that got through there and didn't hit anything. Let's clean all this crap off from
That's
Michael.
the flavouring, that's the master stuff. Leave that on. First barbecue mistake, cleaning it. Old gangster Jesse Addy. What's going on?
It's hot. Hot. I'm melting here. I'm already sunburnt.
Sing me a song about lobsters on the barbecue. A rap song.
Cray, you're gonna send me Cray. Stuck in the middle of the ocean. Take me back to the bay. No, don't. Meanwhile, Yoga Man is discovering things we've been missing for ages. So, what have we got here? Our shades for our veggies when that sun blasts in, and the missing plates. We actually replaced this.
Years.
Yeah, it's been gone for months. We haven't owned the boat for years.
And then I went to fly it over there, and I got disorientated, and I thought I was heading to our boat. I was actually heading like way to another boat, and
Which we didn't even know was here.
I was like, oh shit, I better turn around. And I started turning around, and we made it back to the boat with 3% battery. It was like landing by itself, and like just
You forgot the bird as well.
and then after we survived the stay FPV crash thing, and then this bird just come out of nowhere. There's nothing out here, and just swooped it.